You know, at Precision Trolling Data, we're very passionate about the pursuit of trolling for a wide variety of species. I mean, when you think about it, there's hardly a way of fishing that's more efficient than trolling. You can put lots of lures in the water, you can control the depth of where those lures are running, you can put multiple lures so you're stacking lines, and you literally are flooding the water column with bait. So it's hard to imagine a method of fishing that's more efficient than trolling. The one thing we hear from our fishermen friends and the people that follow our app is that they want to go deeper, deeper, deeper all the time. Well, common sense would suggest if you wanted to go deeper, you could just take a larger snap weight, potentially say a 50+3, and you could use that to go deeper. But when we tested it, we discovered that the size of the 3-ounce snap weight is so large and there's so much friction, it really didn't get you much additional depth. So we started experimenting with tadpole divers, and if you're not familiar with tadpole divers, they're made by Offshore Tackle, and we started looking at the number 3 tadpole. It actually dives, it has a dive curve of its own, and so we rigged them inline so I could put a tadpole 50 foot up the line, so a crankbait, a 3-ounce tadpole, and started testing that, and you will be amazed how deep that goes. Now, for the first time, we can get crankbaits into that 50 and 60 foot threshold, which we've never been able to do with traditional tackle before. So, haven't even named this system yet, but it'll be 50 T3 or something of that nature, but trust me, you're going to hear a lot more about how to use tadpoles in combination with crankbaits to get them deeper with Precision Trolling Data.